you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you quick and easy hairstyles that you can wear on an everyday basis. They're super quick and easy, and you don't have to be extremely good at hair to be able to do any of these hairstyles. So if this is something that you would like to watch, please continue watching. You can have a couple of elastics handy, bobby pins. If you have small ones, the small ones are good too. You can also have some of your favorite hairspray or texturizing spray, and that's basically all you'll need for most of these hairstyles. So I'm just going to brush through my hair, make sure that all the knots are out. So for this hairstyle, this one I like to call my office look or my more professional type look. So what you're going to do is you're first going to split your hair in the middle as best as you can. And then you're going to split your hair down the sides kind of near your ear, and you're going to leave these parts out. So if you want, you can just kind of twist them and tuck them away. I have two barrettes with me, so I'm just going to pin them here for now. So now I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of the video just so you guys can get a better look of how to do it.
So the first step of this look is to do a nice ponytail. You want to make sure that it's nice and sleek and has no bumps. You will see that throughout this time I do rotate my hands depending on which side I brush my hair, and this is so when I smooth out the hair of the ponytail, it goes into the opening of my hand very easily. You will next want to tie your ponytail with a little elastic. I'm using a clear one to avoid having something very bulky. You are next going to apply another elastic at the bottom of your hair, and this is so we can do a little bun. So in order to figure out the bun size, you'll either place the elastic lower or higher. If you put it lower, you'll have a bigger bun. You will then tuck the bottom part of the hair in to make this bun, and then you will take a few bobby pins just to secure your bun in place. Once your bun is fully secured with a few bobby pins, you're going to want to move on to the front section. So your front section is kind of like a French braid, but instead we are twisting. So you separate in two and you twist a piece around each other, and then you add in another piece, twist, add another piece, twist, and you keep following the same pattern until you add in your last piece. Once you've added in the last piece, you're just going to twist the pieces around each other, and then we are going to tuck it behind our bun and secure it with two bobby pins. And you'll go and do the same exact thing on the other side. So this is what the first look looks like.
For the rest of the looks, I prefer to have curly / wavy hair. However, you can do these looks with straight hair. It's really up to you. I'm gonna go curl mine super quickly and I'll be back. So now this is my hair when it's all curled. I'm just going to go put a little bit of hairspray everywhere just to kind of set the curls, but I don't like them too curly like this. So what I do is I brush them out, and then I kind of have like fuzzy hair that starts. So what I'll do is I'll just take little sections and I'll just recurl them with my finger, and you'll just see the nice curl come back. So now for my next hairstyle, you're gonna wanna have two little barrettes. These ones I just got at the dollar store, but you can find anything super cute and really cheap. I'm sure they have a bunch on Amazon.
So for this next hairstyle, it's actually super simple. You're going to grab the front piece of one side of your hair. You're going to twist it back and pin it with your nice little barrette. So you can do this with either both sides, but I prefer just doing it with the one side. That's what look number 2 looks like. For look number 3, you can wear this in 3 different ways, which I think is really cool. So you're first going to want to use your tail comb to get the most precision, and you're going to pull hair from your temple and the rest of your hairline upwards. You are now going to want to smoothen out all the hair. I first do this with my fingers, and then I go in and get my brush to get out all the little bumps that could be there. So once you're satisfied and that your ponytail is sleek, you can get an elastic and tie it around the ponytail. So this is the first way of wearing this hairstyle. It's just very, very simple, a half up, half down. You can kind of pull out some pieces to make it look a little bit thicker. For the next version, you're going to want to grab a piece of hair from the bottom and you're going to twist it around the elastic. This just helps make it a little bit more classic because you are hiding the elastic. I then put my ponytail and lay it on the top of my head and it kind of falls back a little bit, but you'll want to take a bobby pin and secure that piece of hair that we just tied around. So this is the second way of wearing this look. I find this one super classy and it's very cute. For the third way of wearing this look, you're going to split your hair in two as best you can, and you're going to put 2 fingers through the slit you just made. You'll take your other hand, give yourself the ponytail, and you'll just plop it right through, and this will give a nice little twist. If you want, you can also grab hair from the bottom and wrap it around the elastic to give it a little extra oomph. So for look number 4, it's a little bit similar to the previous look. So you're going to be grabbing hair just above the temples and all the way around the hairline. You're going to slick it back with your tail comb and you'll wrap around an elastic. If you do have darker hair, I know that there are black elastics that might blend in a little bit better with your hair color. I just only had clear with me at the house. So now you're going to split your hair in 2 as we did in the previous look. With your 2 fingers, plop them through, give yourself the ponytail and pull it right through. So now you're going to be grabbing hair from the sides and you're going to grab it just a little bit lower than the temple and you're going to make sure that that part is slick as well. You'll take the hair from both sides and tie it back in an elastic. Now because the hair is coming from each side, you don't really need to split it because technically it's already split. So you're just going to put your fingers through the little gap where the hair meets. You'll grab your ponytail and pull it through once again. So now if you just want to add a little bit of extraness to this look, you can do what I do and pull the hairs from the twist just ever slightly up, and this is going to give the illusion of it looking like a French braid but without actually having to do the work of a French braid. So it's just super easy, this look. Now for the 5th hairstyle, this one's kind of for like a night out, if you will. It's having a slick side back. You can either have the hair completely slick like this, or I tend to twist mine. This reminds me of the time where people were shaving half their side of their head. So if you don't want to shave half your head, just do the slick back look, and it's very elegant, but it can also be very edgy. I find this look is more suitable when you do have your hair curly. If you want, you can also tease the fringe and give yourself a bit more volume. Now for the final look, this is my absolute favorite look. You are going to split the hair in the middle and you're going to take the front pieces out of the section. So you're basically going to want to make a little bit of a triangle and the center line is where your point will meet. You will then take the rest of the hair and pull it back into a half up look. So you'll make sure that it's very sleek and doesn't have any bumps as per usual. You will then tie this back with an elastic. You can wear it just with the elastic, or you can do like me and you can get yourself a cute little bow or maybe a flower and you'll just put that on top of the elastic to cover it. This is the sixth and final look. If you find that the bangs are not curled enough, you can always go in and recurl them with the curling iron.
So those are all the quick and easy hairstyles that I love to do, that I find are super simple. And like I said, you don't have to be good at doing hair to be able to do any of these. And if you find that you do struggle with one, just keep practicing and I'm sure it will come. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below if you guys feel like it. So I will be doing this video or a similar type of video for longer hair eventually when I do grow my hair out. If you guys want to see my hair journey, I am posting it in my Instagram on stories, and I'm putting more elaborate explanations on posts. So if you guys would like to see my journey over the next year, go follow my Instagram. I'll tag it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!